Good morning and welcome back to...
What did I Wednesday?
Yay! Good boy, Eduardo.
And
Girl,
you might think that we're not wearing a school uniform.
It's the first day of holiday club,
I
isn't
went
it?
Easter club once.
Yes, Amelia went.
Eduardo.
And Eduardo's first time in holiday club. Wipe your hands and face. Alessia, stay here.
Now a holiday club.
Dogs are going outside for a wee. It is now 8:30. I'm about to eat breakfast, but I meant to say in the beginning of this video, you guys really liked the workout routine, the pregnancy workout routine that I showed you me doing last week, so I thought I'd include another one this week because I actually changed it. This is the 3rd trimester workout that Lucy and I did together, and this kicked my bum. Like, seriously, this one is so hard. I thought the 2nd trimester one would be harder than the 3rd, and because I obviously forgot from last time, but this was so hard. I am sweating buckets after. I think it's also because I changed something, and whenever you get your muscles used to something, it becomes easy, so it's good to change it up. So I have a month left of my pregnancy. This is gonna be my workout for the whole remainder of my pregnancy, I feel like, and it is hard. So this was me working out at 6 a.m. this morning.
When I feel bad, I try to hold it all inside. Hold it all inside. And when I get mad, it always seems it's all about my pride. All about my pride. It's me against the world, and I'm getting tired of fighting. Fly like Supergirl. I could go alone, but it'd be much more fun with you. Wanna go far away. Run away, with just you and me. Wanna go so far away. No one in the world will ever find us. Wanna go far away. Run away, with just you and me. Wanna go so far away. No one in the world will ever find us. Fly like Supergirl. To all them haters, I say later, I'm not gonna try. I'm not gonna try. Try to fit in. It always ends up with me trying not to cry. Trying not to cry. It's me against the world, and I'm getting tired of fighting. Fly like Supergirl. I could go alone, but it'd be much more fun with you. Wanna go far away. Run away, with just you and me. Wanna go so far away. No one in the world will ever find us. Wanna go far away. Run away, with just you and me. Wanna go so far away. No one in the world will ever find us. Say a little prayer for me. Say a prayer. Say a little prayer for me. Won't you say a prayer for me? Pray for me. Say a little prayer for me. I'm scared for me. Wanna go far away. Run away, with just you and me. Wanna go so far away. No one in the world will ever find us.
And now I'm ready for breakfast. I am so hungry. I'm always super hungry after I do that workout, actually. And 8:30 after 6 is just sometimes even too long for me. So I'm having These sprouted porridge oats, it's the same as every single week. I know it's boring, but I just get into a routine and I just eat the same thing all the time. This is my little selection of what I put on top. So I put raisins, a date, and some cinnamon. I use almond milk in my porridge, and I made a black coffee. I have my water here as well, and that is going to be my breakfast. I'm at the kitchen table. There goes Jonathan's car. Just getting some work done, and I am heading out at 11 for a meeting with Izzy, our PA. And it's just me and her this time. Jonathan's not gonna come because he's gone out to do something else. So he can't come, but before we go out, I'm gonna have something to eat because I'm getting hungry. Well, I'm actually not hungry right now, but I know I'll be hungry later. So I am gonna grab, because I've been craving these, one of these, oh, I'm sore after that workout, nectarines. They're so yummy. They're in season right now, so they're really good. And then I'm gonna also have a spoonful. I literally can't walk from that, from doing all those squats. I'm gonna have a spoonful of this. Oops, it's not even being closed properly from last time. Almond butter, because I'm obsessed. So that is gonna be my little mid-morning snack, and I'll probably have that right before leaving. I've just witnessed these, I know I talk about my bird feeders like all the time, I'm obsessed, but these two crows lifting the bird feeder off the branch and throwing it on the ground and devouring it. How bad is that? Okay, we're on bird watch today. Look, the dogs are all watching for Jonathan, who's leaving. And this poor little blackbird can't even get any food because the crows just ransacked it all. I'm having some lunch. It's now 20 to 1. The kids are in not kids club, holiday club all day today because it ends at 4, which is quite a long day for Eduardo, but he's with Amelia and I think he's probably gonna be fine. I think he's gonna be tired, but I think he'll be fine. So for lunch, I'm having leftovers from last night. This was our dinner last night. You can't really see, but it's chicken. Jonathan took most of the chicken, I just have to say. So this is a tiny chicken breast. I get the chicken mini fillets, so they're quite small. Last night, we had it with this like mango and nectarine kind of, I don't want to say chutney because it's not. It's like a salsa that you put on top. It was so good. This recipe I found online and I absolutely love it. Brown rice and then this artichoke salad with toasted almonds, and actually Jonathan loved this salad and he's not a big salad eater at all. So it was a pregnancy recipe that I found. I printed it out actually. This is the recipe, so if you want to screenshot that. And then that is the recipe for the salad. I've also, of course, got my water. It is now 10 to 4 and I'm up in my bedroom slash current office. If you can't tell, I'm actually just gonna get back onto my bed. Not into bed. I try not to work in bed unless I'm like sick or something. Just this is like the only quiet space in the house some of the time, so that's why I end up making this my office. Plus I was downstairs, working downstairs for ages, and then my back started killing me because it's not like an office chair, it's a kitchen chair. But we get our keys to our new house in a couple of weeks, I think. Not really sure. It's not too long now. And I am so looking forward to that. We're not going to be moving then, but we will have an office space, which will be a lot easier. So I made these healthy banana protein muffins, and they're pretty small, but I used almond meal and coconut. No, I didn't have any coconut flour when I went to make the recipe, so I used wholemeal flour. I didn't use any sugar. There's just honey in there. 2 eggs, walnuts, banana, can't really remember what else, but they're super healthy and I made them from scratch, so I'm really proud of myself. So I'm gonna have one of these, and of course my almond milk frothy coffee. These I tried to give these up for like 2 days and I couldn't. I need some kind of a, you know, vice in my life, and I just couldn't. There's nothing bad about them, it's just, I don't know, I was just trying to see if I could give up the second cup of coffee, but I can't do it. I'll be asleep on the floor. These smell so amazing. Oh, they have chocolate chips in them. That's what I meant to say. They have dairy-free, gluten-free chocolate chips, like dark chocolate chips. So the kids actually started out not liking them. As in the kids, I mean the older two. So Alessia does love them. She will devour one like every single evening for pudding. But Amelia and Eduardo didn't, and now Amelia actually likes them. So they're coming around to them. So they're coming around to the healthy baking. So I'm gonna try baking something else healthy tomorrow and see how that goes. It is date night and we came to the Argentinian steakhouse, which is one of the best restaurants in our town, I feel like. I'm not getting steak though, surprise, surprise. I am getting the stone bass, which is a fish, and it actually looks amazing. I'm not just saying that, like it actually does look incredible. It comes with this pink salt. I thought it was the Himalayan salt, but apparently it's homemade in the restaurant.
Yeah, I thought it was that Himalayan stuff.
Yeah. I got chili, broccoli, and a side salad. And Jonathan got these fillet steak with peppercorn sauce and chips.
The pig sauce.
Yes. And green beans. And I got some still water as well, and that is our dinner. We are back from date night. It is 9:15 and I am heading to bed. My Invisalign is in, but I haven't got lanolin on my lips because every time I film these clips in the evening, first of all I have a lisp, but that's not gonna go away once the Invisalign's in, that's it. But what really annoys me is when I put the lanolin on, it like creates, when I start talking, it creates like a white film here, so it just looks really, really bad on camera. And every time I'm editing myself, I'm just like, why did I put it on? Like I should have just waited until after the fact, but I don't normally think of these things. I just kind of pick up the camera and just don't think. I forgot to mention the name of the restaurant we went to tonight was Buenos Aires, and it is an incredible restaurant. I think that one and probably the French one, La Barbe, are two of the best in our town, and the food there is like exquisite. So that fish that I got was incredible, and I am stuffed after. Like I didn't get anything afterwards because you guys know my heartburn like drives me crazy in the evenings, but even if I wanted to, I couldn't have because I was just so stuffed. And they do amazing dulce de leche pancakes. Oh, so if I weren't pregnant, like this heavily pregnant, and I didn't get the worst heartburn, I would totally have got those pancakes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to give my blog a read because I will have my outfit up there, and all of the links will be down below as well if you want to check anything out, like what I'm wearing, where I got things. That's always in the description box, my makeup, all of that. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe if you want to see more. I upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.